Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you need to remove or replace high pressure fuel pump. Now you need to follow certain procedures because you can catch yourself or your car on fire, and we're going to explain how you can minimize that. Also we will explain common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars, so make sure to stay until the end. We're going to cover all that today. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but that should cover the whole generation. This is the car battery. You need to first guys disconnect the car battery so you don't have current. You can minimize the chance to catch yourself on fire. Now on these modern vehicles guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you don't do it the right way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical system, modules, all that stuff. That could be super expensive, could cost thousands of dollars to fix. If you don't know that guys, we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, and I will put the link in the description of the video below. Now next, always do that on cold engine. Let the car sit overnight at least guys, because on the back side you have the exhaust, and if it's hot you can catch on fire. Even if the engine is hot you can catch on fire. You will need to remove the engine cover. Okay, just grab and pull straight up. You have 4 bushings that attach, 1 2 3 4 to these posts right here. Get your guys fire extinguisher as well on the side, because you never know what's going to happen. Now you want to get gloves, you want to get eye protection and all that stuff. Why? Because you will be messing with gasoline guys. Okay, right here you'll be messing with gasoline. So let's explain first. We need to disconnect the fuel pressure line. You have pressure, it can spray gas. Wear goggles, gloves guys, eye protection for sure, because it will spray gasoline no matter what. You need to grab that thing, pull it straight out like that. You will see one blue thing here, one on the bottom side. Now the bottom side I'm going to press it down with my pinky because it's smaller holes. The one at the top at the same time, but before that see how it moves. What I'm going to do, push all the way in, press on the blue thing on the bottom, on top, and start pulling the fuel line out. Check it out. Okay, because it already jumped the lip here, I can just release it and slowly cover it not to spray fuel. Okay, we will leak some out. Okay, perfect, came out just like that. What do we need to do next guys? We need to get a 7, is that a 7 8 3 quarters guys. Okay, wrench. We need to get that fuel line loose. Okay, and let's see if it's going to move, because we have one holder here, so we want to see if it will be enough room to move. Okay, we're going to see when we remove the pump. You need to disconnect that sensor. This is the fuel volume sensor guys. You need to press down a little bit, push on that thing and pull it out. Check it out. Okay, perfect. You have one seal here as well. What do you need to do next guys? 10mm socket. You need to go ahead and remove 2 bolts. Okay, that will be spring-loaded pump, because it's driven by the exhaust camshaft, and depending on where it's sitting on the camshaft it can even have more pressure. So just remove each bolt a little bit on each side, not one at one time. Just do like 2-3 revolutions on the left, switch to the right, and the same thing guys. You get the idea. That way you will not have just pressure on one bolt only. Perfect. Bolts are coming out. Okay, great. Just this one here now. Alright. Now right here, guys. Let's see what we need to do. You're going to grab that pump, move it a little bit, pull that line a little bit. That will be enough to clean it, guys. Okay, and the pump will actually come out like that. Now don't think you're done, guys. Okay, definitely don't think you're done. This is the pump. It will have fuel in it. Careful. You need to, guys, remove and inspect your tappet. Oh my goodness, this thing is stuck in here. Okay, this car has so much carbon buildup. The tappet will need to come out. We need to pull it out. Okay, we're going to spray a little bit. Okay, and clean it here. Maybe we'll get the vacuum, clean everything, and we'll try to pull it out. So you can see the tappet will be even more stuck because that car didn't work for a long time because of the bad fuel pump. So it sat for a while, otherwise it will be lubricated here, guys. But what we did, we just apply a little bit of oil. We'll get the thin pliers here. You have 2 holes, okay, and I can just grab it a little bit and pull it out. Okay, that's the tappet. You can see it came out. I'll recommend to clean here everything really good, the canals, everything really good, where it goes on the camshaft. Okay, and this is the tappet. Now inspect those. Sometimes they go bad as well. I'll definitely recommend to replace it if you need to, guys, because you don't want to do the job again, right? So that's how we remove the high pressure fuel pump. If you need to replace it, just put it together in reverse order. We took it apart. If you have any questions, let us know, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.